Hi guys, what's up? So, I'll talk about the crux. I recently came across TVS helmets online and I ordered one for myself. This one is the X Pod series. I was willing to buy the racing helmet by TVS, but then they were, not available. I mean, it was like a inquiry form was there, but then wasn't really helmet available. So I have KYT, LS2 and DHH all three. Now this one is the new one that has been added. I chose ISI and DOT on preference over the DOT and ECE because of the reason, because there have been incidents with me wherein I was in the traffic and uh, the traffic police, when they don't find any kind of fault, you are carrying all your documents along with the bike. So when they have nothing to ask you for, they see your helmet. When you have DOT and EC approved helmet, they ask you and they really they start troubling you. And by the fact that we don't care, we want ISI approved helmet and all these things, even though I mean it's like pointless to argue with them or to fall any kind of argument with them, because they are police people, right? You, any layman or common man would not really want to. So the point they have is, as per Indian standards, the ISI helmet is recommended, and this has happened with me in Delhi itself. So Delhi police, I don't know what they do. Though DOT and EC certified are like way above than ISI standards, but then they don't really listen to me or to anybody else if they catch you. So that's the reason. But then frankly, this is let me uh, share with you how this helmet appears to be. This is the X-Pod one. Yes, that's more or less. It's not exactly proper GP style, but yes, it's GP inspired. And look at that, how well the TVS has packed it up, so that helmet doesn't really get scratched from any place, even during the cargo. This is a box wherein I received it. The MRP is for 2750 for this helmet, brand new one. And along with the helmet, I also, and the best part, this is a mirror finish. Let me show you. This size is XL, and I was very skeptical about whether this size would really fit me or not. Would it be like oversized? But then frankly, people like me who have uh, whose shirt and t-shirt sizes are XL, so I think for them XL would be fine. Seriously, this is a standard, and you really not to you really don't have to go through the measuring and everything of your scalp and head blindly. You can buy the XL one if you feel like there is a bit of gap inside. So all you have to do is you have to get to a helmet shop and ask him to foam it up with an extra padding. That would hardly cost you approximately 100 rupees for an helmet, any helmet. Now see how beautiful this mirror finish appears to be. Not mirror, actually mercury, mercury finish. This is mercury coated, and filming is good. Quality I feel like is like good, not bad. The best part it is both ISI and DOT approved. So this is what I've been literally looking for. Though LS2 is only DOT certified, and there's maybe nowadays they might be having like DOT and DOT and ISI both approved. Earlier they used to be only DOT certified. Now I'll show you the back of this helmet, which appears to be really like sporty. See, this is the overall look. It is like, it feels to be really aerodynamic and very much stylized at the back. This is the overall look. So when you are going like this is to give you a drag down force, so that your helmet doesn't really wobble up at high speeds, or your head don't really shake. Let me also give you something like There's also a surprise which I ordered gloves too from TVS itself. See how's it gonna look. That's all. A bit shaky, but that's fine. Feels a bit shaky, but the cheek protection is good. There is a bit of like necessity here inside, like my finger is appearing to be, so a bit of foam is required at this chin point. Rest everything feels to be good. Helmet seems to be pretty good, of strong build quality. You can any which ways keep it at bar or above the KYT, which have been my favorite helmet throughout this time when you come for a GP ride or something. See the back. So foam is good as of now, but I'm sure foam, the sponge of the foam is gonna get padded after certain use of time. It happens with every helmet, so the air gap, the pores of the foam will get a little deformed or flat with time. Now see this, I ordered a pair of gloves too, and trust me, gloves uh, gloves appear to me of really good quality. The armor on the top, the I don't know what it calls, like some graded plastic or polycarb on it. They are freaking good, and the grippy leather that you want at any point of time is also certainly of good quality. I mean, overall, when I was checking out my cart, so at that time I had a coupon. It was the sale time actually, so if you go for purchase above 10,000 rupees per order, you can apply 20% flat discount, and below 10,000 it is 10% of flat discount. So I got 10% on this. The MRP is approximately like 1750 or 1800, something like that. I'm telling you. 1799. And see what TVS Racing authentic riding apparel, and quality is really genuine. It is genuine. This seems to be designed as some kind of steel braided net, but it is not steel braided, it is simply synthetic cloth material, this part. But rest of the thing, I even wore it, so I felt like it's pretty good in comparison to the quality. And even inside the gloves, this appears to be breathable, I believe. These appears to be breathable, and this is also XL size, so my middle finger appears to be there is almost no gap. XL fits me. I can yeah, see, that's good. Knuckles are also good. I don't know why didn't they put the knuckle on the little finger, or these, I don't know what to call it, like little finger, index is this one, right? Yeah, little finger, this is little finger itself. I don't know. So but the overall the quality of the gloves are pretty good, nice. XL seems to be a bit just one size larger. L, I believe, would have been like snug fit to my palms. XL is just a little loose. See this, the ये थोड़ा सा like हल्का सा, little bit, not like marginally big, I would say. So yes guys, it's time you should literally try opting TVS apparels, because of the build quality. Yes, you have many options in the market. When you are talking about in a range below 2000 rupees. So these can really offer something good. I've got full gauntlet type gloves also, GP gloves from Cramster. I've got Skoikos also, two pairs of Skoiko, Kimoni and whatnot. Like I have like in total like 5-6 pair of gloves, riding gloves. But this one is kind of good and special. At least maybe because these are a new pair for me as of now. So I might be feeling like this is a good one. That's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to obviously hit the like button. If you want to join the Hot Rods channel, you can certainly anytime subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.